Let us consider an electric dipole placed on the x-axis. The distance between the two charges is 2a. O is the midpoint of an electric dipole. A point P is placed at a distance of r from the midpoint of O of the dipole on the axial line. The distance between test charge at P and Q plus is r minus a. The distance between test charge at P and Q minus is r plus a. We know that electric field is force per charge. Force can be calculated according to Coulomb's law. That is force equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. R is the distance, that is distance between P and Q plus, that is R minus A. Q1 is Q plus, Q2 is QP. Cancelling this QP in both numerator and denominator, we get electric field vector, that is E plus vector at P point due to positive charge. That is E plus vector is equal to K into Q plus divided by R minus A whole square into P cap, where P cap is the unit vector along the dipole axis from negative to positive charge. Similarly, we calculate electric field vector at P point due to Q minus charge, that is negative charge. So that is E minus vector is equal to minus K into Q minus divided by R plus A whole square into P cap. Next, we have to add these two values where Q plus is the unit positive charge, Q minus is the unit negative charge. So we can take Q value as a common factor, P cap and K value also. So that we get 1 by R minus A whole square minus 1 by R plus A whole square. Then taking LCM, that is doing cross multiplication and expanding these two values, that is R plus A whole square and R minus A whole square, we get this one. Multiplying this value by negative sign and cancelling this r square and a square, we get this one. If r value is greater than a, on the denominator, a value becomes negligible. So that this equation becomes this one. And cancelling this r and both the numerator and denominator, we get k into q into p cap into 4a by r cube. This 4a we can return as 2 into 2a. We know that P vector is 2A into Q P vector, so that this formula is reduced to 2K into P vector divided by 1 by R cube, where K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So that electric field due to an electric dipole at a point on the axial line is 2 into P vector divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube.